Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to download the Etsy application on your smartphone. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in Etsy. In the search results that pops up on the screen, look for the Etsy Shop Home Style and More application from Etsy Inc. Now tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. On your Android, you'll need to tap on the Install button to begin the download. On your iPhone, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Now wait for the application to download and install on your device. If you love shopping for unique, handmade, or vintage items, having the Etsy app on your mobile device makes browsing and purchasing easier than ever. Once the application downloads, tap on the Open button and the Etsy application will be installed on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.